ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Then 10 is left out, 1. Again this. So total sheet, how much available? Sheet available 1000 centimeter square. So number of caps is equal to 1000 by 47.14. If it is 50, how many caps can be formed? 20, but here 47 will go 21.27 times. 21.27 times. So 21 caps can be formed. So you must write this way answer. So while 1000 square centimeter is given, how to make use of this? 1000 is divided by 47. I am taking 47 approximately. How many times? This is 2 times 94. It is 60. 1 time 47. 13. So it is small. 21 caps can be formed. This is the way you have to write the answer. So how many such caps can be formed? 21 caps. Take down the screenshot, write down the answer like that. Shall we do one more problem? Over. I am sliding the board. Next, a cylinder and cone have base of equal radii. I am writing this word problem. It is also a word problem which is asked in the examination 3 or 4 times. A cylinder, very important type. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii. Bases of equal radii and equal heights, and they are of equal heights. That means the heights are also same. Show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. Show that volumes are in ratio 3:1. This is the question. A very simple question, a very useful question, several times asked question. Directly you can answer this. It may be given for 2 marks or it may be a small question. A cylinder and cone have bases equal. First draw a cylinder, base equal. If you can remember the same point I mentioned at the time when I was telling the formula also. This is H, this is R, this is H, this is R. Volume of right circular cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square H. Am I right? Pi r square H. What is the volume of right circular cone? You need to compare both. They are equal. They are not equal. Height is equal, radius is equal. Volume of right circular cylinder formula is pi r square H. Volume of right circular cone 1 by 3 pi r square H. Here R is equal to R. Radius are equal. R1 is equal to R2 otherwise. R1, R2, H1, H2. R1 equal to R2 equal to R. H1 is equal to H2 is equal to H. Given. Right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Ratio. Ratio means what? Pi r square H is to 1 by 3 pi r square H. So ratio is this. So V1 by V2 we can write. So what do you write it? Pi r square H by 1 by 3 pi r square H. So the whole thing pi r square H, everything gone. Here 1 is there. 1 by 3 which is 3 by 1. You can write it this way. So V1 by V2 is 3 by 1 implies volume 1 is to volume 2 is 3 is to 1. Which volume is higher? Right circular cone volume is higher than the right circular cylinder volume. How many times? 3 times. That's what I mentioned at the time when I was telling you the formula. It is 1/3 of the volume of the right circular cylinder, or 3 times. The volume of the cylinder is 3 times more than the right circular cylinder. This is the question. It is a question number 6 in the textbook, which is very, very important question, useful question. You can by heart this as a formula too. Now I am writing the 7th question. Question number 7. In order to write more problems, I am accommodating it this way. So you can refer to your textbook and see that. A solid rod, iron rod, a solid iron rod has a cylindrical shape. Has a cylindrical shape. Its height is 11 centimeter. Its height is 11 centimeter. And base diameter is 7 centimeter. Diameter 7 centimeter. Find the total volume of 50 rods. Find the total volume of 50 rods. How many such rods are there? 50. This is the question. So I am drawing a small figure so that you can understand. A solid iron rod, I am just writing the rod like this. What is the length of the rod? 11 centimeter. Base diameter is 7 centimeter. Diameter means D. This is 11 centimeter. This is D. So D is equal to 7 centimeter given. What is radius? 7 by 2 centimeter. What is the length? Which is here H. So 11 centimeter. So what is asked? 50 rods, what is the volume? That is the question. So you are supposed to find the volume of each rod. Volume of rod 1, first rod. Pi r square H. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 11. 7 is gone. 22 into 77 by 4. Or you can cancel this way also here. This 2 goes here 11 times. So it is I am writing here 11 into 11 is 121 into 7 by 2. So 700, 720 is 140, 847 by 2. 847 by 2. So 423.5. 423.5 cubic centimeter. 423.5 cubic centimeter. And what else? Here you have to find the volume of 50 rods. Volume of 50 rods means what? 50 times 847 by 2. I am writing this way. It is 25. So 25 into 847. So 50 times 423.5. So it's approximately 21,175. It's not exactly 21,175 cubic centimeter is the answer. 21,175 cubic centimeter is the answer. You can verify this at your convenience with the help of a calculator or with the help of a multiplication or whatsoever you do, you can do it. But in the examination, you are supposed to multiply it 25,847 and get the answer like this. You can do it on the rough. 847 is multiplied by 25, 21,175 is the answer. So take a screenshot of this. There are two problems accommodated on the board. A solid iron rod has a cylindrical shape. So I have drawn the rod like this. You can see that during construction we use this kind of rods. It is a solid rod. What is the height? 11 centimeter. Length is like a stick here in the hand.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my B from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KVC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by ITians and NITians. So come here and join us.
Welcome back students. I am Yogananda here, teaching for Venkana classes, mathematics for class 10 students of both the states, Telangana and AP. We are going to write the exams very shortly. You can make use of our video lessons and video recordings and learn the subjects. Now we are dealing with mensuration word problems. Word problems in mensuration. Exercise 10.1, which is a very important exercise. In this we are now dealing with the problem number 8. Eighth question, question 8. I am writing the question first, understand the question, then we will solve the problem. A heap of rice, a heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meter and height 8 meter. Find its volume. Find its volume. Also find how much canvas is required. Also find how much canvas cloth. How much canvas cloth is required to cover it, to cover the heap. This is the question. What do you mean by heap of rice in the form of a cone? Because it's the heap of rice, I am drawing the figure like this. What is the diameter? 12 meter diameter. 12 meter. Radius is diameter is 12. And what is the height? This is 8 meter. Heap of rice. I am explaining this problem in Telugu because Telugu medium students are also understanding this. ధాన్యపు గుట్ట, రైస్ అంటే తెలుసుగా ప్యాడీ అంటాం మనం. ధాన్యం తీసుకెళ్ళి రైస్ మిల్లులో ఇస్తే వాడు బియ్యం చేస్తాడు రైస్ మిల్లులో. ఆ బియ్యాన్ని గుట్టలాగా పోసారు. బియ్యం గుట్టలాగా పోస్తే రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్ లాగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇలా ఫామ్ కాదు. రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్ అంటే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, కష్టం, ఉండదు అక్కడ, అలా ఉండదు. స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోతుంది. స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? డయామీటర్ 12 మీటర్ వచ్చేదిట. 12 మీటర్ డయామీటర్ అంటే చాలా పెద్దది. హైట్ 8 మీటర్, చాలా ఎక్కువ బియ్యం, చాలా ఎక్కువ బియ్యాన్ని ఇలా అకామిడేట్ చేశారు. సో ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ సేస్ దట్ వాట్ ఈజ్ డయామీటర్ ఈజ్ 12 మీటర్ అండ్ ద హైట్ ఈజ్ 8 మీటర్. డయామీటరు 12 మీటర్ అయితే రేడియస్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి మనం? హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద రేడియస్? Diameter by 2 is radius. So right circular cone I am writing. Radius is diameter divided by 2, which is 12 by 2, which is 6 meter. 6 meter. Height is, what is the height given? 8 meter. So we got the data. And what else is wanted? We want the volume. What is the formula for volume? Volume formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 times 22 by 7 times, what is r? 6 into 6 into h, 8 meters. So you have to simplify all this. 3 will go here 2 times. 22 into 6 into 8, 48 into 2, 96 by 7. 22 by 7 is approximately 3.1. 3.1 times 96, around 300. So it is simplified here as I am writing the answer after simplification. I already done here. I am just writing it here. You can verify. 301.44 m meter cube. 301.44 meter cube or cubic meters. 301, nearly 300. You can take it this way. Nearly 301.44 cubic meters. This is the volume. What else is asked? How much canvas cloth is required to cover this heap? వర్షం వచ్చినప్పుడు దీనిని క్లోజ్ చేస్తుంటారు వాళ్ళు. అలాగే డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ రైనీ సీజన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ద హీప్ ఈజ్ టు బి కవర్డ్. నాట్ they don't exactly cover it, but they'll just put it over it, cover it broadly. So but here the exact calculation is wanted. What is the canvas cloth required? For this we need to find the slant height. L square is r square plus h square. What is radius square? 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64, 100. It is 10 square. Therefore slant height is 10 meter. You can see that the slant height is 10 meter. What is the curved surface area? Curved surface area pi r l. Pi is 22 by 7 into 6 into 10. It is 3.14 into 10 into 6, 60. 60 into 3, around 180. So it is approximately 186 or 187. So it is simplified to 188.4 meters square. Square meters. Canvas cloth required for covering the heap. This is the question. So what is the canvas cloth required? The answer is this. What is the volume? Volume is this. So there are two parts in the problem. It is a 8-mark question. You must try to understand the question in a elaborated way and try to answer this. If you draw the figure, you should not draw a figure like this, a joker's cap like thing. It is a figure which is in the form of a right circular cone, but the dimensions are 12 and 8. So the base is much bigger, 1.5 times bigger than the height. So the height is smaller, the base is bigger. So you should draw an appropriate figure which looks like this. Oh, here the essence is that a heap of rice is in the form of a right circular cone. The dimensions are given. Find the volume, find the canvas cloth required. So both the units are to be mentioned. It is cubic meters, it is square meters. This is the question. So you must take down the screenshot of the same. I hope you have done this. Is it done? Shall I proceed further? Now let us take one more problem. After this word problem, I will take some important concepts. So with the help of those concepts, we can do few more problems. Question number 9 in the textbook. The curved surface area, the curved CSA, curved surface area of a right circular cone RC cone is 4070 cm square, and its diameter is 70 centimeter. What is the slant height? What is slant height? This is the question. What is the slant height? A right circular cone. This is height, this is radius, this is L. Diameter is given 70 centimeter. So diameter is 70 centimeter. Diameter 70 centimeter. Radius, diameter by 2, 70 by 2, 35 centimeter. And what else is given? CSA. See, what is the curved surface area of a right circular cone? What is the formula for that? Pi r L. Am I right? Pi r L. L is unknown. H is now not known. So CSA is given as pi r L. What is pi r L? This is given as 4070 cm square. So what is pi? 22 by 7 into what is radius? 35 centimeter. What is length? Slant height? We don't know that. The value is 4070. 7 goes here 5 times. Am I right? 7 into 5 is 35. 520 is 100. 5 2 is 10. 110 L is equal to 4070. L is equal to 4070 by 110. So this goes here 407 by 11. So 11 goes here 3 times. 33 77. So it is 7 times. So the slant height is 37 centimeter is the answer for this. So the question is, find the slant height. We found the slant height. Look at the question, take a screenshot of this. With the help of this, we can do few more problems on the same lines. And now I am going to give few concepts about the geometrical solids. Take down this and take a screenshot of this. Then, shall I explain it again? Curved surface area is 4070 centimeter square. Don't write the wrong formula. Curved surface area is pi r L. Total surface area is pi r L plus pi r square. So write the exact formula so that you can do this problem. Now I am giving you a brief idea about how to do some problems when combination of solids are given. I am just writing